What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Echo string trimmer, and the problem is the trimmer head won't spin. Let's find out what the problem is and fix it. In a previous video we fixed the no start problem only to find out that the trimmer head wasn't spinning and bogging down the engine. It could be the trimmer head wasn't lubricated regularly, or there's a problem with the clutch or drive shaft. The easiest thing to do is to remove the trimmer head and check to see if there's a problem with the bearing. And it's pretty obvious that the trimmer head isn't the problem, as it spins very easily. Well, it appears the shaft is still stuck, so let's move over to the clutch. Let's start by removing the bolts holding the clutch and the shaft to the engine. Now carefully separate the engine and the clutch, taking care not to damage the throttle cable. And if we try to spin the clutch drum, it's definitely stuck. We need to separate the clutch from the shaft to figure out which of the two is the problem. And in this case, it seems like the clutch bearing is the culprit, as it's completely stuck. And instead of replacing the bearing or the clutch assembly, let's try saving this one. Let's try spraying some penetrating oil on the bearing and give it some time to see if it'll loosen up. And it definitely seems to be working, as it seems to be moving just a little bit more than before. Let's keep trying this method and see if it frees it up. This will keep us from trying to find a part that's on an outdated machine. Well, it seems like the penetrating oil did the trick. It seems to be working just fine. Let's go ahead and put it back together and give it a try. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.